The only chance this puppy has is if we get a lot of fluids in her. Right? Parvovirus, she needs to get a lot of fluids.
Okay.
A lot of fluids. There's a callus covering the bone, so vomiting, diarrhea. So this little guy's got parvovirus, or they assume. My understanding is the mother was hit by a car and passed away a day later. It was brought here and then she passed away. And she had 3 young puppies, maybe 5 weeks old, 6 weeks old. And his 2 siblings passed away. Also they assume from parvovirus. Parvovirus basically causes severe damage and ulceration to the intestinal tract, resulting in vomiting, diarrhea, toxins enter the body, and they basically pass away from weakness. You know, they're so dehydrated and their immune system shuts down. Here the treatment's a little different. They won't feed them for 7 days. No food for 7 days. I guess it's to rest the intestinal tract maybe. And they just do fluids and pain medication and antibiotics and things to help the immune system and vitamins and whatnot. But they need to be more aggressive with the fluids. They'll sometimes put in a line and then leave it in just for a few hours. So they finally gave me a call knowing I was coming here today and saying, could you first take a look at the parvo puppy? We can't get a line in because he was so dehydrated. But Emily and I figured it out. It took a couple of tries. And we're going to spend a couple of days doing a couple of liters of fluids and see if we can get this guy's strength back up. I think things are going to work out okay. I think he'll be feeling better soon. You guys want to hang out or go for a walk? Hang out or go for a walk?
I could go for a walk, Mr.
Yeah, let's go for a walk. Yeah. We found the pyramids of Egypt. They look smaller than I thought. So you're all wrapped up. There you go. Oh. Okay. Oh, you're so sore.
I think it's 5 milliliters for 1 kilogram. If it is 5 kilograms or 6 kilograms, it takes 30 milliliters.
For what? An hour?
In a day.
No. This guy needs way more fluids than that. He's we're not doing maintenance. This thing's super dehydrated.
Okay.
So what does this dog weigh?
About 6 kilos.
About 6 kilos.
6 kilograms.
So it's probably about 10% dehydrated.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? Which is 600 mils.
Yeah.
I'd like to get that 600 mils into this dog. The only chance this puppy has is if we get a lot of fluids in her. Right? Parvovirus, she needs to get a lot of fluids.
Okay.
A lot of fluids.
I'm with you.
But how many drips?
How many drops?
For one mil? No, for 1 mil, do you know?
10.
10, okay. And I would be giving this guy 60 mils an hour until you hit about 600.
Okay.
And then you can pull back
Okay.
because we got to correct the dehydration and then maintenance. So if we want 60 mils an hour, that's 600 drips
Road drips.
an hour. So that's 10 a minute. So that's 1 every 6 seconds.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
It's finally time to take Salim to the animal hospital to try and fix his face. So.